Workspaces are used to group your projects. This is useful when you work with a specific client and you have a number of websites for them and you want to group them. To create a workspace, you click on Create New Workspace, give it a name, and click on the plus. This will bring in the workspace and take you to that new workspace. Currently, this is empty because we don't have any new projects, but simply go ahead, create a new project, and you will see it also comes in as Project 1, as this is the first project in this workspace. Now that we've created it from the dropdown, you will see that next to New Workspace, there is a 1 indicating the amount of projects within that workspace. You are the owner, and with that you can also edit the name of the workspace. And if you need to, delete it. Note, to delete workspace, you first have to go back and delete the project. Type in delete at the top to confirm. And once you've done so, you can go back to the workspaces and now select delete, and the workspace will be removed.